Let's take a look at what in the kit. Pliers, T-handle insert tool, T-handle insert tool, 2-piece replacement needles for insert tool, 40-piece tire repair cords, utility knife accessories kit including valve tool. RPCSL type hex tools, double head tire pressure gauge, replaceable probe, storage case. Before attempting repair, be sure to review the included instructions. The included instructions manual. Apply lubricant to the tip of the spiral probe tool. Remove the foreign object from tire and probe the puncture. To enlarge and clean the puncture, remove one tire repair cord and slightly flatten one end. With the pliers, thread the core through the opening. Of the insert to needle until it is about halfway through. Gently dip the needle tip and repair cord into the jar of lubricant. Remove the Pro Tools from the tire and quickly plug the hole with the insert tool by firmly pushing in towards the tire. Leave about a ½ inch of excess repair cord. Firmly press the platform into the tire. Cut off any excess using the included utility knife. And gently wipe the tire cleaner.